Yo, what is up everybody? It's CashGPT. We're about to blow your minds with the craziest challenge yet, turning $100 into a mountain of cash. I know what you're thinking, $100? That's it? Listen, everyone starts somewhere, and I asked ChatGPT, the AI genius, for the ultimate beginner plan to grow that Benjamin. And guess what? This isn't some lame advice like sell your old sneakers. This is the real deal, a 3-step plan designed by AI to get you started on your investing journey. We're talking about high-yield savings accounts, index funds, and even investing in yourself, because let's be real, you're worth it. So are you ready to turn that $100 into something epic? Let's do this! Alright, first things first, we're taking $30, a small but mighty amount of cash, and dropping it into a high-yield savings account, or HISA. This is where the magic begins. Now don't fall asleep on me yet. This isn't your grandma's savings account. It's way more exciting and rewarding. We're talking about banks that actually want to give you free money just for keeping your cash with them. Yes, you heard that right. Think about it. Your regular bank probably gives you like 0.01% interest, which is basically an insult. It's almost like they're mocking you. With a HISA, you can get a whopping 4% to 10% interest. That's a game changer for your savings. That means your money is literally making more money while you sleep, eat, or watch this video. It's like having a financial assistant working 24/7. So, how do you find these magical HISAs? Easy! Head over to nerdwallet.com or bankrate.com and search for Best High Yield Savings Accounts 2025. These sites do all the heavy lifting for you. You'll see a bunch of options pop up, but here are a few of my favorites. Community Financial Credit Union, which has been a solid choice for many. UFB Direct, Varo Bank, and Basque Bank. These institutions are known for their competitive rates and excellent customer service. These bad boys offer some of the highest interest rates out there, and some even let you open an account online in minutes. It's super convenient and efficient. No more waiting in line at the bank like it's 1999. Say goodbye to those long, tedious waits. Just pick your favorite, create your account, and deposit that $30. It's as simple as a few clicks. Boom! You've just taken your first step towards financial freedom. Congratulations, you're on your way to making your money work for you. Next up, we're taking $50 and diving into the exciting world of the stock market. Imagine turning a small amount of money into a growing investment. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street hotshot to make this work. Anyone can do it, even if you're just starting out. We're keeping it simple and safe with index funds. These are perfect for beginners and seasoned investors alike. Think of an index fund like a basket of all the best companies in the stock market. It's a diversified way to invest without the stress of picking individual stocks. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks like some kind of financial psychic, you're investing in the entire market at once. This spreads out your risk and increases your chances of steady growth. It's like having a team of experts picking the best stocks for you, but without the hefty fees. You get the benefit of professional management without the cost. Now, to get started, you'll need a brokerage account. This is where you'll buy and manage your investments. Don't worry, it's way easier than it sounds. Setting up an account is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Just download an app like Fidelity, Schwab, or Robinhood. They're all free and super user-friendly. These platforms make investing accessible to everyone. Once you're all set up, search for these two magical letters, VTI or VUO. These are your tickets to easy and effective investing. These are the symbols for two of the most popular index funds out there. VTI tracks the entire US stock market, while VOO follows the S&P 500, which is like the all-star team of the stock market. Both are excellent choices for long-term growth. The best part? You don't need thousands of dollars to get started. Even a small investment can grow significantly over time. With fractional shares, you can buy a tiny piece of these index funds with just a few bucks. This means you can start investing with whatever amount you're comfortable with. So, grab that $50, invest it in VTI or VOO, and watch your money grow alongside the entire market. It's a simple, smart way to start your investment journey. Alright, we've saved, we've invested, now it's time to invest in the most important asset of all. You! Yes, you heard that right. The most valuable investment you can make is in yourself. That's right, we're taking the last $20 and putting it towards learning a new skill that could make you way more money in the future. Imagine the possibilities that open up when you acquire new knowledge and skills. Think about it. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Knowledge is power, and in today's fast-paced world, staying ahead means continuously learning and growing. And in today's world, there are endless opportunities to learn new skills online and boost your earning potential. From coding to creative writing, the internet is a treasure trove of educational resources. Head over to websites like udemy.com or coursera.org where you can find thousands of online courses on everything from AI side hustles to personal finance basics. These platforms offer courses taught by industry experts and professionals. You can even learn how to become a prompt engineer, which is like being a whisperer for AI and a highly sought-after skill these days. This could open doors to exciting new career opportunities. The best part? Most courses are super affordable, often costing between $10 to $15. It's a small price to pay for a potentially huge return on investment. Or, if you prefer a good old-fashioned book, grab a copy of The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel on Amazon for around $15. This book offers timeless wisdom on managing your finances and making smart money decisions. This book will change the way you think about money and set you up for long-term financial success. It's a must-read for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy. So, there you have it. Invest that $20 in yourself today, and watch your knowledge and your income skyrocket. Remember, the best investment you can make is in your own growth and development. And there you have it, the ultimate AI-powered plan to put your first $100 to work. No more excuses, no more I don't know where to start. You've got the knowledge, now go out there and make it happen. Now you know exactly where to put your first $100, no guessing, no gurus. Drop a comment and tell me what's your first move, like subscribe and follow CashGPT for more real AI-powered money moves.